We were just showing how to make buttonholes using the sewing advisor, but look, now you can sew the buttons on. By using the sewing advisor, it takes you to the exact stitch that you need to be using. The feed dog's actually just lowered. That was a little click we've heard. And look, there's no foot. So we're going to go ahead and remove the buttonhole foot. And if we wanted to create a little shank of thread, that is where the multi-purpose tool can be used to separate and leave a little extra thread between the button and the fabric. But for today, let's just go ahead and take our button and set it underneath our presser foot that we don't have on here. The other place to find this stitch is in the A menu down here at stitch number 58. So once again, you can go multiple ways, but if you go this way, you get the little tutorial of what you need to know about using the multi-purpose tool, about sewing that button on, and how to finish it off. So I'm going to just minimize this. That's that little dome at the bottom. And I'm noticing that the needle is hanging out over here on the left side. So I always first tilt the needle down into the left hole, lower the presser foot down onto the button, and then go ahead and take a stitch all the way over to the other side. Just make sure that the needle lines up in the hole, and then just go ahead and sew. It's going to sew 8 times back and forth, and you can use your scissor button to cut the thread. It knows which hole to go into, and before you know it, all your buttons can be stitched in place.